Hey, this is Stacy from True You Ministries, and I've got another affiliate promo today. It is the Goat Farm. I found them on Public Square, which I'll talk about in another video, but I ordered some product from the Goat Farm and they came in today, so I'm really excited. So I purchased some handmade goat milk soap that's got lavender in it. And this is something that I will definitely be trying out tomorrow or sometime this week. Um, it's got castor oil, raw goat milk, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oil. And this one is lavender. And what's really cool, I didn't know this, it was included in my package that they've got a loyalty program. So they include a complimentary goat milk soap bar every time you purchase 10 bars, and you don't have to order all 10 bars in the same order. So that's really cool. So with purchase of 10 soap bars, you'll get a complimentary soap bar included. I also purchased some natural lip balms. So I got black cherry and I got vanilla and coconut, and I also think I got wild berry, and I got caramel apple as well. That one was on clearance because of we just came through the holidays. So you can create your own 4-pack, and I got 2 of the same. I'm really excited about trying that also. And not only do they have stuff for humans, they also have stuff for your pets. I ordered natural flea and tick control spray called Pet Peeve, which I really think is kind of cool. My dog, I tell you, I've got a little terrier, and every year without fail, if I don't get an essential oil collar on her, and if I don't get the essential oil squeeze bottle thing to get down her back, she is riddled with fleas. And I really like the natural organic way of dealing with fleas and ticks. And so I thought, well, let me give it a try. So you want to get onto my website at trueyouministries.com, go to my products I love page, and you can get 12% off your order with this discount code TYM12. I'll include a link to my products I love page below this video. I'll include the discount code as well. You want to try them out. They are a family-owned and operated farm, and I really love being able to support American farmers as well as families, conservatives, individuals that are patriots and whose values align with my own. So I hope you find this helpful, and please purchase products from the Goat Farm. They have merchandise for him, for her. They've got stuff for the kids. Oh, and check out their kids page where you get to meet the new goats that they've got. Oh, they're so cute. Anyway, I hope you get a chance to check out their site, and please support them in any way that you can. Thanks so much, and I appreciate your support. And again, remember, for every affiliate program that I'm a part of and every purchase that's made through these different companies, I am building my counseling scholarship fund for people that need counseling but maybe can't afford it completely. This is a really great way to help them get the help that they need as well. So again, thank you so much for your support, and God bless you.